I read all the reviews that he had. I talked to his office staff, and then after doing all that, I decided to come in and see him. And when I met him the first time, I just felt like this was the right fit for me. He was very personable, super good bedside manner, just a good listener, explained everything in very good detail, so it wasn't overdone, it wasn't underdone, it was just enough information to go home and say, okay, this is what I need to have done. I had a basal cell on my eye, and the dermatologist that I saw said, guess what, you have a basal cell? And I said, what is that? He says, it's a cancer that you need to have removed. So when I left her office, I had a hole, probably the size of a pea, underneath my eye. Dr. McCracken literally made a little incision and moved the skin kind of over to toward my nose, and stitched it closed, and I had like maybe 2 stitches, one on each side of my eye, and I never felt any discomfort from it. It wasn't itchy, it wasn't burning. I didn't have anything really to complain about. Very minimal bruising, which was shocking. I mean, whatever he did, it worked, because people were looking at me and go, I can't believe you just had your eye worked on, because you look really good.